In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do an upsell in Kartra. We'll set up the essential tagging that tells Kartra exactly who purchased, so you can trigger the right upsell offers and follow-ups with confidence. Start on your Kartra dashboard. From there, head into the sales section and open products. This is your hub for every offer you sell. Choose the specific product you want to attach your upsell logic to. If you have multiple products or variations, pick the one tied to the checkout where you want the upsell flow to begin. Inside the product editor, open the post-sale area. Think of post-sale as the control room for what happens immediately after someone buys. Perfect for tracking and automation that power upsells. Look for the setting to tag your customers. Click Change, then enable the option to tag customers. This ensures every buyer gets a clear identifier the moment the purchase is completed. Next, select the price point. This is important if your product has multiple prices or payment plans. It lets you apply tags only when a particular price point is purchased, keeping your segmentation clean and your upsell triggers accurate. Then choose the tag category to keep your account organized and select the specific tag you want applied to these buyers. Use a clear naming convention so you instantly know what the tag means later. Something like product name plus the price plan works well. Add the tag to lock in your choices. A quick tip: keep one decisive tag per purchase event to avoid confusion downstream, and make sure the tag already exists in your account so it appears in the list. When everything looks correct, click Save. Saving is what actually publishes your post-sale logic, so don't skip it. That's it. With this setup, anyone who buys that product at the chosen price point is automatically tagged, making it easy to show them the right upsell, launch follow-up sequences, and report on performance without manual work.